Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Please smash that thumbs up and click the notification bell because we're going to show you today how to replace your sun visors. You know, the floppy ear syndrome they call it, these cheap visors from GM. It's real simple, it's real easy, it's real fast. So stay tuned. Alright, I want to show what they look like up close here. The floppy ear syndrome, as we said. And what we're going to do is we need 2 screwdrivers. We need flathead. You'll have to experiment with the size tip, but that's the size tip I'm going with. A smaller flathead screwdriver, or I'm not sure yet. I got this little pick, and that's for unloosening the connector, right? So what you're going to do is, let's find it here. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's a notch right here. What you'll do is you'll insert the screwdriver into that notch, and then you're going to move the visor outwards, and the leverage of the screwdriver against this is going to hold this in place, and it's going to pop out. You'll see it. Okay, so I have the screwdriver inserted into the notch, right? And I'm going to rotate the visor outwards towards where the A-pillar is, and that's going to loosen it. So I'm going to do that now. I won't be able to actually physically do that and hold the phone at the same time for you, but you'll get it. Okay, and as easy as that, it came out, right? So from there, you're going to fish and get the little connector out. Yeah, you have to work it a little bit, and it popped out pretty easy there. Now from here, you're just gonna take a screwdriver or that pick and pop this loose. And I'll do that here in a second. I'm gonna have to probably stop so I can do that. Pick inserted in there, I was able to get it free. Let's reinstall. Okay, you're gonna wanna note that on this piece here, it's kind of rounded off here, right? And when you put this back in, you're gonna line that up to the corresponding place in the hole. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you'll see it when you're actually doing this. And then obviously you're going to reconnect it before you do anything. So I'm going to reconnect that, and then we're going to put this thing back. It's going to be that easy, folks. You'll have to fish that connector up in there, and it's really easy, and it'll slide over to your right from here. And then we're just going to insert and twist, and you'll be done. Okay, I also want to note that when you twist it back, you're probably going to have to go past for that to lock. And then once it does, you're done. Over to the passenger side, we're going to do the same thing. Insert it in that slot, and then twist, and it'll drop down. After it drops down, again, you're going to use a small screwdriver or a pick to pull that piece on the clip back just enough to pop it loose. There we go. And there we have it, folks. No more floppy ears. Again, smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell. Stay tuned for more videos from Corvette Dan. Thank you very much.